Alright, so it is a new morning. This is Saturday, February 14th, so it's Valentine's Day. Today I have day 2 of this, like, partial, I guess maybe a full remodel job almost, of a 3-bedroom condo unit. Pretty much what I'm going to do is, these cabinets light up, so they will end up getting like a USB connection for the low voltage lighting that's already like mounted inside of the cabinet. Just have to get a power source into like 2 locations because they don't link together with those the lighting that's on the inside. Let me see if I can show the tape lighting. Yeah, so it's just like tape lighting that is pretty much on each like shelf or whatever. So I gotta do that. I have to get a lighting source right here in this area because a dining room table will be right in this space. So yeah, I'll be doing that. This will have a new light fixture right here, which I'll probably install today. Those dimmers and light switches will go back into the wall. Right now, they are supposed to power the light. Oh, but that light is already been taken down, so that's what that one's for. This one goes to the light behind me. Yeah, that does fit that one. So I'll check that before I leave. This area will have like another, I guess, part of the countertop or something here. So I have to just get power for that, and it'll be like a pendant fixture right like over here in this area. I guess it'll probably be centered with the countertop. I just need to get more information before I start getting power there. It'll be some new switches right here for that. It's going to be 2 light fixtures here also for the main kitchen area because they need it like pretty bright so they can like see. So one will be right here where this wire mold is, and I have to do something with that wire. And it'll be more switches right in this area for the lights. This is 2 entryways. From there, I have to relocate this track light. They want to keep it, but they just want it to run down the hallway area. So everything is a concrete ceiling. This is a condo unit that's probably like, I don't know. I know it's probably double my age, that's for sure. But yeah, that gets moved. So I'll probably end up trying to deal with that today. And that one, yeah, still works. So I don't have to change anything with the switch. Since the power is going here, it shouldn't be a problem bringing the power back the other way. So I'll just have to fix the crown molding. I replaced these lights yesterday, so they're gonna paint around this area, and yeah, they just wanted something that was bright. Look at the plans for some of the stuff that's different from what we talked about. This is a light that I installed yesterday night before I left. So yeah, though I had to reconfigure the wires to make everything work great. So that one's up there, and it's all centered with the mirror and everything, so that's good to go. And from here, it is supposed to be 4 lights that they have here and on this like bulkhead that they built. So they're probably going to be canvas recess lights. I don't think we're going to be able to get those like imitation recess lights in there. I guess it's possible, but I just need a way to like mount them to the wood. I wasn't able to get information on how they built the bulkhead, but I think canvas would probably be the better option. But I need to cut it open and see. And then I saw on the plans it's supposed to be 2 wall sconces over here, but I didn't get any of that information from the homeowner, so I need to find out about that. I mean, I know I can cut open whatever needs to be cut open, but I need to find out about that, because if it is, it looks like they're going to be, I guess, centered with the cabinet as one end and this wall for the other one, and not centered with the entire wall, because then there's no other point that would make sense unless I did it after the bed was centered with the room. From there, I have a bunch of other stuff. Alright, so I have to check the inside of that vent, try to get it cleaned out and see if it's pulling any of the moisture. This building is older, and I just learned that it should be an automatic fan that vents everything out, that just stays on constant and just vents through the roof, because they don't have, as you can see, there's no place for exhaust fan. The heat lamp is supposed to keep everything warm and also help with the moisture from a hot shower. That light fixture's getting replaced. There'll be a new one right here. There'll be a new one right here. And I think that is about it. So, yeah. I'm about to get to work. It'll be a long day. Yeah, I'll just see what I can do.